Today we're working on a 2007 Impreza, the non-turbo model, but the turbo models are all the same for the tail light, rear end stuff. We're going to remove the tail lights and the bumper cover. So we'll work on the left tail light. See, it's got these little two clips right here and right here. These two clips got to come out. This cover's got to come out in order to get to the tail light. So grab your Phillips. Now you don't have to push hard on it. It's literally just a click and turn on the screw. You get something in there. There you go. It's just a clip. And pop out the clip. There's one more right there. You just pull on it. And with the clip out, stick a screwdriver anywhere, you know. Here, it's just a piece of plastic. Just wiggle it. There's that clip that's broken. It's a plastic piece. Put that to the side. And then you see these two tins right here. There's one right here and there's one right here. Got to remove these guys. These tins. Remove that. So after removing the two tins, the taillight should be, yeah, see, it's loose. You don't have to pull too hard on it, and it's got a tab stuck in here, so don't go yanking the taillight this way because you'll break it. You come around to my left side. If you slowly just tap on it, see that? This tab right here slides into this tab right here. So if it's stuck in there because of all the dirt and stuff, just give it a little bit of tap this way. It'll pop out. Be careful not to scratch your bumper because it just jumped out at me. And then for whatever reason you're pulling your taillight out, you might want to replace the bulb. It's bad, or the taillight's holding water. Little clip right here. You can go ahead and move that up and unplug it, and that's how you take the taillight out. And go back in the exact same way. Turn your. We got to replace the bulbs. Put new bulbs in. Once you got it all back together, plug that back in. When you go to put this thing back in, make sure that this slides into that. Let me show you. Make sure you put it in and kind of gauge it. Make sure it's back in that slot, or else it's going to leave a big gap and it's not going to want to fit right. Don't break it. Don't force it. If you force it, it's just not going to work. That's how I take the left taillight out.